Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today with this video you will get to know about the CAP round, that is the common admission process followed by the IIMs. So what is the CAP round? What are all the IIMs who follow this process? What will be the selection criteria? What is the overall process of application? That everything we will discuss in this video. So if we consider the top IIMs like IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow and Kozhikode, they have their separate admission process. So there are almost 9 IIMs who follow the process of CAP round for their admission process. Means they have combined the PI round and the VAT round, and on the basis of that they are taking the admission. So this CAP round process is one of the convenient process for the candidates. Because of this you need not to attend the admission process of almost 9 IIMs. And all the 9 IIMs has the uniform criteria, and according to that you can get the calls from the IIMs. For example, if we consider the last year, then according to the last year data, if you have scored more than 92 to 93 percentile, so the candidates who have scored above 92 percentile in the CAT examination, almost all the candidates have given the call for these IIMs. Now coming to the list of IIMs who comes under the CAP round. So IIM Bodh Gaya, Jammu, Kashipur, Raipur, Sambalpur, Sirmaur, Udaipur, Trichy and Ranchi are the 9 IIMs who follow the process of the CAP round. So this common admission process includes 4 stages. Like first is your CAT score is released, second is one uniform cutoff for all the IIMs is set up, and on the basis of that you will get a shortlist call. Third is if you are eligible you need to apply for the CAP round. Fourth is you need to attempt the VAT round and the PI round. Then your overall score is calculated. Along with your VAT and PI score, your academic profile score is also calculated, and on the basis of that the finally selection of the candidates is done. So here 30% weightage will be given to your CAT score, 10% weightage will be given to your VAT, then 30% weightage will be given to your personal interview score, and 30% overall weightage is given to your profile. So on the basis of that the finally selected candidates list is done. Now coming to the number of seats and the total call for the IIMs. So if we consider the overall number of seats for all the IIMs, then those are nearly up to 2200 to 2400. So for the 2200 to 2400, there are almost 24,000 students who get the call from the IIMs. जो भी seats होती है, like if we consider the 2400 seats, then जो seats होती है उनसे 9 या 10 times candidates को जो है वो calls आते हैं. So for the 2400 seats, there are almost 24,000 candidates are over there who can get the call from the IIMs. Now coming to the qualifying cutoff required for CAP 2024. So for general category it is 93 percentile or more than that. For EWS it is 74 percentile. For NC/OBC it is 74. For SC it is 54. For ST it is 40. And for disability candidates it is 40 percentile. So this is all about the common admission process. So if your CAT score is above 92 percentile, then you can target with this 9 IIMs and can apply for the CAP 2024. So if you have any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.